how to download movies and shows from Amazon Prime Video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download movies and shows from Amazon Prime Video and watch them offline. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile device. Then once you're here, find a movie or a TV show that you'd like to download and watch at a later stage offline. So I'm just going to tap on this one here at random. And then yes, once I've decided that I want to download this one and watch it later on, I'm going to tap on the download button in the middle. So it will ask you for additional audio language. So for me, English will be downloaded for this video, but additional languages can be included with your download. This can be changed anytime by going to settings. So I'm just going to say no additional language and click on OK. Next you have download options, so depending on what type of quality or how much data you have on your mobile device. So you can do best, which is a lot of data, or you can go all the way down to data saver, which is not much data. In the interest of speed, I'm going to tap on data saver and then click on start download. And now this will just start to download, and then once it's downloaded, what you need to do is just click on the downloads button in the bottom of the screen. And here you can see this is the video that I'm just trying to download now. So once that finishes downloading, you can actually then go ahead and watch this. And to watch this, you don't need to be connected to any Wi-Fi or internet. It won't use your data. You can just watch the video offline. And that's all it takes to download movies and shows from Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.